Hi boys and girls, welcome to PE. For today's lesson, we are going to play Race to 100. This is the throwing, catching, and jump rope edition. All you're going to need is this playing card, which tells you what to do if you get a certain number, when you generate a certain number. You will also need a hundreds chart. If you don't have one, the end of this video has a section that teaches you how to make your own hundreds chart. And you will need number cards. For today, we're going to use our random number generator will be our number cards. You can either have number cards that you make yourself or number cards that are from a deck of cards, just the numbers 1 to 6, or if you have a dice, you can use a dice. Okay. Before every PE class though, we have to make sure our space is safe. So let's check out my PE space. Okay, let's see. It looks like I left a few things on the ground. I better pick those up, otherwise I might step on it, get hurt, trip, and fall. And we don't want that to happen. Okay, so those are the things that you have to take care of. Okay, make sure you have some personal space, your own bubble. Okay. Let's go over what we do if we generate different numbers. What we do for a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Okay. Since this is the throw and catch edition, you will need a softball. So let me go show you how we make a softball. You will need a pair of socks. If you don't have a pair of socks, go get your pair of socks and come back to the video. If you have a pair of socks, we stack them together. Stack the two socks together like that, one on top of the other. I'm gonna go to the toes. I'm gonna go to the toes and roll it up. Roll it up from the sock toes all the way to the ankle where it has an opening. I'm gonna take one opening and wrap that, and I'll take the other opening and open that and wrap the whole thing in. So that's my sock ball. We'll use the sock ball for throwing and catching. Okay. And the other thing that we will need is an invisible jump rope. Just pretend it's an invisible jump rope. Okay, so here we go. If I roll a 1, if I generate a 1, I'm going to throw and catch high. Throw and catch high. So remember, open your hands out when you catch. Track the ball with your eyes. Track the softball with your eyes. And bring the ball to your body. Okay, here we go. Catch it high means above your head. Hands above your head. Okay, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, if you roll a 2, generate a 2, catch it low. That means near the ground. Near the ground. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you generate a 3, I want you to strike and catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's put our softball away now. Okay, if we have a 4, 5, or 6, we're doing invisible jump rope. Okay, a 4 invisible jump rope. I think 10 times. Let's see. Yep, 10 invisible jump ropes. Ready? Feet together, stay low to the ground, and just make sure you turn your rope. Okay, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you generate a 5 invisible jump rope backwards. Turn your rope backwards. Okay. Here we go, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you generate a 6, then we're doing some ski jumps. Okay, just jumping side to side, feet together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I might have done a little extra there, but that's okay. Okay, let's start our game. Let's see if we can go, how far we can go to 100. I'll probably play 5 or 6 rounds just to see. Okay, here we go. Here are my number cards. Put them upside down, flat face down. Let's mix them up. Mix them up nice and well. Mix them up nice and well. I'm going to pull this number out. That's the number 3. According to my game card, 3 is throw, strike, and catch 5 times. That sounds like fun. Throw, strike, and catch 5 times. Here we go. Throw, strike, catch. Throw, strike, catch. That's 2. 3. Follow the ball with your eyes. 4. 5. Okay, that was 5 catches. Throwing, striking, catching. That was number 3. Here's my hundreds chart. I'm at 1. Gotta go all the way down here, all the way to 100. 1, 2, and 3. Cross out 3. Here we go. Okay, let's generate another number. Let's generate another number, see what we get. I'm going to choose this one. That's a 6. We can move up 6 spots after we're done doing 10 ski jumps. 10 ski jump is going sideways. Take feet together, jump quietly, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that was 10 ski jumps. For number 6, I'm going to move up 6 spots, move down 6 spots. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm at number 9. I'm at number 9. Okay, let's go again. Let's see what we get next. Mix them up. Mix them up. Let's try this one here. Number 1. Number 1 is throw and catch high 5 times. Catch it high 5 times above your head. Okay, above your head. Here we go. 1, 2. Follow the ball with your eyes. 3, 4, and 5. That was easy, but the bad thing is that was just 1. So we move from 9. We move from 9. Oops. 9. We move from 9 to 10. Just 1. Still, that brings us closer to 100. We're down with 1 row. Let's go down. Let's see what else we get. Okay, let's mix these up. Maybe this one will get a big number. Big number. This one here. And we did get a big number. We got a 5. 5 is invisible jump rope. Invisible jump rope backwards 10 times. Okay? This is forwards, I'll go backwards. Ready? And go. 10 jumps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. The good thing about that was 5. We moved 5 spots now. Okay? We're here. We move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're at 15. Okay, getting there. We're getting there slowly but surely. Okay, here we go. Mix them up. I'm going to choose this one here. The number 4. I think 4 is just regular jumping jacks. Let me check. Let's see what 4 says. 4 says invisible jump ropes. 10 invisible jump ropes. Let's go. 4. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, keep your feet together. And save your energy by jumping low. Okay, keep your feet together. Save your energy by jumping low. That was the number 4. I was at 15. I'm going to try and go over 20 before I stop. How's that? 15. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at 19. Let's do one more so that we're over 20. And then I want you to continue the game all the way to 100. Play your own game and go all the way to 100. Or challenge someone. Oops. Let's choose this one here. Oh, it's a 3. That brings us definitely over 20. Okay? 3 is the tough one. Throw, strike, and catch 5 times. Softball. a throw, strike, and catch 5 times. Oops. Can't see my head. Here we go. 1. Follow the ball with your eyes, okay? 2. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, that was 5, but that was a 3. So we had to move up 3 spots. Okay? Here's my hundreds chart. I'm at 19. Oops, 19. I go 1, 2, and 3. I'm at 22 now. And I mentioned that I would stop once I got over 22, so I am going to stop right now. Your job is to play this by yourself. Play it with a friend. Play it with your brother, your sister, your mom, or dad, and try and go all the way to 100. Okay, do your best to try to get to 100. If you get to 100 today, tomorrow, play again. Erase your card and do it over again and get to 100 again. If today you can only get to 50, then tomorrow go from 50 to 100. Okay, do your best, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Hi boys and girls, for today's PE class, we're going to play a game called Race to 100. For this game, you're going to need 2 things. If you don't have these 2 things, don't worry. We're going to make an option for them, okay? First thing you need is this game chart, okay? You're going to need this 100 chart that I'll teach you how to make. You can either have your mom or dad print it out, or you can make your own. So let's make our own just in case. That's the game that we're going to play, okay? We're going to make this hundreds chart just in case you can't print it out and you don't have a printer. All you need is a piece of paper, okay? And a pen or a marker. I have both. I have a pen and I have a marker. So I think I'm going to use a pen first, okay? So here's my paper. On this paper, to make a hundreds chart, I need 110 rows and 10 columns. That means I'll need 11 lines going across and 11 lines going down, okay? So I want to use the whole paper so my numbers are nice and big. So I'm going to try my best to make these lines straight. It doesn't matter which way you make them, okay? We're going across, and we're going down, okay? So let me show you how this looks, okay? Let's try this first. Let's go across first, okay? I'm gonna go all the way to the top and just go all the way across. That's 1. I have to make 11 of these lines, okay? I have to make 11 of these lines. So let's try our best to do 11. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And 11. So I filled out my whole sheet with lines going across 11 of those 11 lines. Now I have to make them going down. Okay, I have to go down and make 11 columns. Okay, so let's try our best to make 11. Okay, I'm gonna start on one end and try and go all the way across and make sure that there's 11 only. Okay, that way it's easier. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they don't have to be perfect. 5, 6. Now I see how much space I have left. I'll use the rest to finish the 4 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's my 11. So that's my hundreds chart. Okay, and you know what? If you weren't able to make it exactly 11 and 11 yet, turn the page over and try again. And you still can't make 11 and 11 yet, grab another piece. And try again. Okay, I actually got lucky there. I got lucky that I was able to make a hundreds chart right away. I just tried to estimate about how much space I need for each one. Okay, now the next step, we have to make this a hundreds chart by filling numbers in, writing 1 to 100. Okay, so let me see if you can see this. I'm going to write 1 on the first spot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's the first row. That's how it should look like. Okay? And then I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going until my hundreds chart is filled up. Okay? So I want you to take some time. You can stay on this video and watch how I'm doing it, but you're doing it the same way. Okay? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now I go down to the next row. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, that's how the 20s look. Okay? And slowly I'm getting there. I'm doing my 30s now. Okay? I want you to see this a little bit better. Okay? Let's do 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm at my 40s. Okay? That's how it looks. Take your time. Okay? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Right? Like that. So I want you to continue doing this. Okay? Continue doing this until you're done with your hundreds chart, and then come back to the computer. Okay? It should look just like that, something like that. Okay? Doesn't have to be exact, but something like that. Okay? When you're done, come back to the computer. I'm gonna pause because I want to finish this chart. Welcome back, boys and girls. Hopefully you're done with your hundreds chart. You might want to make more than one. You might want to make 2 or 3 of them so you can play the game more than one time. Okay, so I'm done. It looks just like that. Okay, I went all the way to 100, and if you notice, it's not perfectly straight. The lines are, some lines are wider, some lines are a little bit more skinnier, but it's my hundreds chart. Okay, I can use this to play our game now. Okay, the next thing you need will be a die. Here's a die. Okay. If you have this, if you have one in the house, go grab it. If you don't have one in the house, that's okay. I have an option for that. Okay, so go grab this if you have it. If you don't, here is your option. Okay, go grab a deck of cards. Ask your mom or dad, do they have a deck of cards? Okay, here's a deck of cards. Okay, go grab this if you have it. Okay, once you have it, come back. I want you to grab. Just pull out 6 cards for me. We just need the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We just need those numbers, okay? So I'm gonna go through this and look for those numbers, and hopefully you can see me looking for these numbers, okay? There's 7, I don't need 7. There's 2, I do need that, okay? There's 2, there's 5, I'll take that. I'll put the cards I don't need away. There's a 4, there's a 9, an 8, a 10, a 2, a 5, a 9. Okay, I don't need all these cards. A 6, I'll take the 6. Okay, I have 4, 5, 6, a 2. Here's a 3. Okay, so I have these cards now. They're ready to go. But I need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 1. I need an ace. We'll call the ace a 1 because it has 1 symbol on it. So here are my 6 cards. I have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Okay, so I can use these. I can use those cards to play our game. Okay, so it's either a die or deck of cards, ace to 6. If you don't have a deck of cards, that's okay. We have option 3. Option 3 is grab a piece of paper. Okay, we're gonna fold this. This is called hot dog style. No, wait, it's a hamburger style. Hamburger style. Okay, for the hamburger style, like that. Now it's folded. Okay, hamburger style. And then the next thing to do is we have to be really careful and fold it into equal thirds. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That means it's equal on 3 different parts. So I'm gonna try my best. Here's about 1/3. Okay, I'm gonna fold it right over there. And then I'm gonna fold this last part in, and it's almost equal. Very close to being equal. Very close to being super equal. 3 different parts. Okay, so here we go. I have 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. If I open it, I have 6. Now carefully tear it. I'm gonna make sure I crease this a little bit more so that when I tear it, the tear is nice and straight. Okay, here we go. Here we go, and here we go. Okay, let me tear it carefully on my table so that it doesn't, so it stays straight as much as I can. Okay, tear it nice and straight, and then I have 3 so far. 1, 2, 3, and then let me tear this one into equal parts. That's 1. Take your time. That's 2 and 3. So I have 6 now. Okay, with these 6 pieces of paper, I'm gonna write numbers on them. 1 to 6. Okay, I'm gonna use a pen because I don't want to use a marker because otherwise it'll show through and you'll know what the numbers are. Okay, here's my number 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. Here's 5. And here's 6. Okay, so when you're ready, we can start playing our game. Okay, but for now, we have 3 things all together. Okay, we have a hundreds chart ready to go. Actually, the first thing actually is our explanation of the game. Okay, we need this one first. This tells us what to do when we roll a certain number. Okay, so we have our game sheet. Okay, and then we have our numbers chart. Okay, if you have the game sheet, you can just use the game sheet also. You can use that hundreds chart right there. Then we have our hundreds chart, and then we have our die. Okay, or if you don't have the die, you have your numbers, either deck of cards or your own numbers. Okay, that's all we need for now, and then we'll get started with the game. Okay, so get those things ready. When you're ready, come back to the computer, the video, and let's play the game.